Hey everyone, welcome back to Real English Conversation, the podcast where we talk like real people and help you speak real English. I'm David. And I'm Tom. Today we're talking about something everyone loves, food and cooking. Easy English, simple phrases, and real-life examples. Yes, and if you're new here, don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. This helps you learn English every day. All right, get comfortable. Grab a snack if you want. Let's talk about food, cooking, and easy daily English. Let's go. Part A, warm-up conversation, 3 minutes. So, Tom, simple question. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pasta. It's easy, tasty, and fast to cook. Nice. My favorite food is fried rice. I love it because I can add anything. Vegetables, eggs, chicken, anything. Great choice. Okay, listeners, repeat after me. My favorite food is... Good job. One more time. My favorite food is... Let's learn some easy food and cooking words. A2 level. Very useful for daily life. Word 1. Breakfast. Example. My breakfast is usually toast and tea. Word 2. Ingredients. Example. I need 3 ingredients for this dish. Word 3. Boil. Example. I boil eggs every morning. Word 4. Fry. Example. I fry vegetables in a little oil. Word 5. Recipe. Example. This recipe is easy. You only need 5 steps. Let's repeat together. Breakfast, ingredients, boil, fry, recipe. Great, you're doing well. Keep going. Now let's do a real conversation. Slowly. Listen first. Tom, what do you like to cook? I like to cook pasta. It's simple. I boil the pasta, I fry the vegetables, and I mix everything. That sounds great. How long does it take? Maybe 15 minutes. Discuss. Okay, let's talk about it. Tom said, I boil the pasta. Boil means cook in hot water. Listen again. Normal speed. What do you like to cook? I like to cook pasta. It's simple. I boil the pasta, I fry the vegetables, and I mix everything. That sounds great. How long does it take? Maybe 15 minutes. Great. You understood more this time, right? Good job. Let's learn some phrases you can use today. Phrase 1. I'm hungry. Example. I'm hungry. I want something quick. Phrase 2. Let's order food. Example. Let's order food. I don't want to cook today. Phrase 3. This tastes good. Example. Wow, this soup tastes good. Phrase 4. It's too salty. Example. This curry is too salty. Nice, you're improving already. Tom, easy question. What do you eat for breakfast? My quick breakfast is a banana and some coffee. Simple. That's healthy. Listeners, say it with us. My quick breakfast is a banana. Great. Okay, next question. Do you like spicy food? Yes, I love spicy food, but not too spicy. Same here. Listeners, answer in your mind. Do you like spicy food? Good job practicing. All right, let's review today's key phrases quickly. Boil, fry, ingredients, recipe. I'm hungry. Let's order food. This tastes good. It's too salty. Great work today. You learned real English you can use every day. And now, our fun community question. What is your favorite food to cook? Tell us in the comments. We read every message. Thanks for listening. Stay happy, stay learning, and remember, you're improving already. See you in the next episode.